You are going to love the 2013 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, 4-wheel drive, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, audio system with navigation, OnStar, cruise control, entertainment system, console, floor mats. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.